Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video. This is our KODIAQ SEL and it's the 2 litre petrol 4x4 190 PS DSG and it's in the petrol blue metallic paint. Now all of the SELs do come with an electric tailgate as standard. As you can see, the car does have leather and micro suede upholstery, and this continues throughout the whole car. So there are currently 8,794 miles on the clock. As part of the standard SEL specification, you do get cruise control. You have a built-in sat-nav unit, the dual zone air conditioning system, along with heated front seats, and you do also get front and rear parking sensors. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.